Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is, which statement most clearly using a straight types option A C if there are lady at the front desk who can help you. Option B, all the students fail into the accessibility hall of for speech. Option C, women are more likely to develop osteoporosis than men. Option D, both the dog owners and cat owners visit the clinic regularly. Submit. The correct answer of the question is option C. Women are more likely to develop osteoporosis than men. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.